This is the bass walk of Jim Miraki's Runaway, and I have one who will follow the truth sings I'm going to place.
So what he does here, I will just stop you for 1 second. So what he does here is he's starting on the C, and we can see the C right here. It's on the string of the bass. It's the second thickest string, and he will try to play the first notes. So yeah, and when you do that, you continue with the next part. And if you are really professional like this guy, you should be able to play this at least at third try. And now he will play it at actual speed.
Yeah! 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can we hear that one more time, please? That's fine. Next time on How to Bass, we will teach you how to sound good. How to sound good on bass.